Deep beneath our feet, in bustling cities and quiet forests alike, lives a world of tiny architects, ants. Though small, their lives are filled with remarkable feats and fascinating secrets. Unlike us, ants do not have lungs. Instead, they breathe through tiny holes along their bodies, called spiracles, allowing oxygen to flow directly to their tissues. They also lack ears, yet ants are far from deaf. They sense vibrations through their legs, detecting the faintest tremors in the earth to communicate and navigate their world. Some ants are ingenious farmers. Leafcutter ants, for example, harvest leaves not to eat but to cultivate fungus, an essential food for their colony. Inside their tiny bodies, ants have not one but two stomachs. One is for their own nourishment, while the other is a social stomach used to share food with their nest mates. Some ants are even capable swimmers, paddling across streams and surviving floods, their bodies adapted to float and move through water. In the shadows of the colony, some ants take on a darker role, raiding neighboring nests and capturing their young, forcing them to work as slaves. Ants have walked the earth for over 100 million years, sharing the planet with dinosaurs and surviving countless changes in climate and landscape. Today, there are more than 12,000 known species of ants, each adapted to thrive in deserts, rainforests, and even our own backyards. Despite their size, an ant can lift up to 20 times its own body weight, making them some of the strongest creatures on Earth, pound for pound. At the heart of every colony is the queen. Some queens live for decades, laying millions of eggs and ensuring the survival of their vast families. But life in the colony is not without peril. When ants fight, they do so fiercely, often to the death, defending their home and their queen. If the queen dies, the colony's days are numbered. Without her, the ants can only survive for a few months before the community fades away. Yet ants are astonishingly resilient. They can survive for hours without oxygen, and their bodies contain no blood, but a clear fluid that carries nutrients. In every corner of the world, ants remind us that even the smallest creatures can shape the fate of entire ecosystems. Their story is one of survival, cooperation, and extraordinary strength.